Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Road Review. Today we're taking an in-depth look at the all-new 2026 BMW M9 Ultra Speed, a car that's been creating massive buzz in the automotive world. From its breathtaking design to insane performance, this is one car you absolutely can't ignore. So, let's dive right in. Starting with the exterior. The BMW M9 Ultra Speed is a masterpiece of modern automotive engineering. The first thing you notice is its aggressive stance, with sleek aerodynamic lines that are not just for show, they actually help reduce drag and improve stability at ultra-high speeds. The front features BMW's signature kidney grille, now larger and more imposing, flanked by adaptive LED headlights that give it a futuristic look, especially at night. The hood has subtle sculpting that hints at the raw power lying beneath, while the side profile showcases muscular fenders and a flowing silhouette, giving it that perfect blend of elegance and aggression. At the back you get a sporty diffuser and quad exhaust outlets, which not only look menacing but also enhance the performance acoustics of the car. The BMW M9 Ultra Speed comes with exclusive alloy wheel options, ranging from 20 to 22 inches, designed to maximize grip while maintaining a smooth ride moving inside. The interior of the M9 Ultra Speed is where luxury meets high-tech innovation. The cabin is wrapped in premium leather and Alcantara with carbon fiber accents that scream performance. The seating is fully adjustable, with memory functions, heating, and cooling for ultimate comfort. One of the standout features is the advanced digital cockpit, which offers a fully customizable display for navigation, driving modes, and performance metrics. The infotainment system is powered by BMW's latest iDrive 10.0, featuring a massive touchscreen, gesture control, and seamless smartphone integration. For audio lovers, the optional Harman, Kardon, Bowers & Wilkins sound system delivers crystal clear audio that transforms every drive into an immersive experience. Ambient lighting throughout the cabin allows you to set the mood, making the interior feel futuristic yet cozy at the same time. When it comes to performance, the BMW M9 Ultra Speed truly lives up to its name. Under the hood, it houses a twin-turbo V12 engine, capable of producing a staggering 1,100 horsepower. This power allows the car to sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.4 seconds, placing it among the fastest production cars in the world. The top speed is electronically limited at 220 miles per hour, but with the M Performance package, it can go even faster on the track. The car features an all-wheel drive system with dynamic torque distribution, ensuring maximum traction and control, even at high speeds. The adaptive suspension and advanced aerodynamics work together to keep the M9 Ultra stable through corners, while the braking system, featuring carbon ceramic discs, provides exceptional stopping power. Driving the M9 is an exhilarating experience. The engine roar, rapid acceleration, and precise handling make it feel like a hypercar built for the future. As for technology, BMW hasn't held back. The M9 Ultra Speed comes with a suite of driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and night vision. The car also has an advanced heads-up display, providing key information right in your line of sight without distractions. Smart connectivity ensures your navigation, music, and vehicle settings are always at your fingertips, making long drives not only thrilling but convenient and safe. When we talk about pricing, the 2026 BMW M9 Ultra Speed is positioned as a premium hype, with prices starting around $380,000 for the base model, with optional performance upgrades, customization, and tech packages. The price can easily cross $450,000, but considering the engineering, luxury, and sheer thrill this car offers, it's a worthy investment for enthusiasts who want the ultimate driving experience. On conclusion, the 2026 BMW M9 Ultra Speed is a car that perfectly blends power, technology, and luxury. Its stunning exterior, opulent interior, mind-blowing performance, and advanced features make it a top contender in the hypercar segment. If you're looking for a car that delivers adrenaline-pumping speed while keeping you comfortable and connected, the M9 Ultra Speed is definitely a car to consider. That's it for today's review on the 2026 BMW M9 Ultra Speed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Auto Road Review for more detailed car reviews, test drives, and everything automotive. Share this video with your friends who love supercars and stay tuned for our next review, where we'll bring you more exciting cars hitting the roads in 2026.